Hello everyone, welcome to day 92 of a Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, we are going to see this ripped ripple stitch. So it is slightly different than the normal ripple stitch in two ways. One, we are going to be doing a different increase and decrease to create the waves, and we are going to form these ridges as well. The stitch multiple for this pattern is 17, a multiple of 17 plus 3. Okay, so for my sample swatch here, I have 54 stitches. That is, I have done three sets of waves. So 17 for this part, 17 for this part, and 17 for this part. Okay, plus chain 3 that counts as the very first double crochet stitch. Okay. So this pattern will be a 2-row repeat. So one row will be where we'll be placing the increases and decreases, and the other row is for us to get the ridges on one side, which is a repeat row. To start off, we are going to go into the fourth chain from the hook and make our very first double crochet stitch. So this counts as one increase. So we have two stitches. Chain 3 counts as one double crochet, and the double crochet itself counts as the second double crochet. Okay. Now we are going to make two more increase stitches into the next two stitches. So in the next stitch also we are going to start off by making two double crochet stitches. So that counts as two increases, and again two more. The start of the row and the end of the row, it's going to start with these three increases and also end with these three increases. Now we are going to decrease in a different way. Instead of the two together stitch, we are going to skip one and make our very first double crochet decrease. The skipped stitch counts as one decrease. Again, you're going to skip one, go into the next chain and make your double crochet. Again, go into the next, skip one, do one more. Like this, you have to do 5 double crochet stitches. So skip 1, 1, 2, 3. We have done 3. Again skip 1, make 1 double crochet, that is the fourth one. Again skip 1, make the next double crochet, that is the fifth one. So we have our 5 decrease stitches. You can already see the wave pattern forming. Now again skip 1. Now it's time for us to start the increase stitches. Make 2 double crochets into each of the next 5 stitches. So basically this pattern does not have any normal double crochet stitches in between the increase and decrease like the usual ripple stitch. We are going to create the wave only with increase and decrease stitches. Okay, so we started off with 3 increase and we did 5 decrease. Now we are making 5 increases. 1, 2, 3, 2 more to go. That's the fourth increase, and this is the fifth increase. Okay, so that forms the second peak. Now again we are going to start off by making the decrease stitches. So skip 1. Here's our next chain. We are going to skip this chain, go into the next one, make 1 double crochet, and we are going to continue this for the next 5 stitches. Skip 1, 1 double crochet. Again skip 1, another double crochet. Again skip 1, 1 double crochet. Again skip 1, one double crochet. We have 1 2 3 4, and this is the fifth decrease. Again skip one, start off your increase stitches. 5 increase stitches, that is 2 double crochet into each of the next 5 chains. One, two, three, 4, and the last one. Again skip one, start your decrease stitches onto the next 5 stitches. So you have to continue this till the end of the row, and I'll meet you once I'm done with this row. So once you reach the end of the row, you have to again skip one and complete with 3 increase stitches, that is 2 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Okay. So now for the next row, chain 1, turn your work, and into each and every stitch you're just going to make 1 single crochet. At the end of the row we'll be changing colors. So I'll meet you back once I complete this row. So here we are at the end of the row. Now before you complete the last single crochet, you can change colors. Okay. Now secure all the ends and turn your work. Chain 1 and turn your work. Okay. So this row is worked on the back loops only, and again this is a double crochet row, so your turning chain should be 3. So now go into the back loop and start making the increase stitches. The pattern is the same, that is you start off by 3 increases and then make the decrease stitches, 5 decrease stitches, and again 5 increase stitches till you reach the end of the row. If you're going to use the same color for the next row as well, you can just leave the end here, because we can just pick up this end once we reach the next row. We'll be crocheting 1 row of double crochet and we'll be coming back with 1 row of single crochet. So again the color change will happen in the same side. So you can just directly pick up this end from this row to this row rather than cutting it and joining it again. So chain 3, start off with 3 increase, and then skip 1 and make 5 decrease stitches, that is you have to skip 1, make 1 double crochet in the next 10 stitches. Skip 1, So once you have the 5 stitches, again skip one and make your increase stitches. Make sure all the stitches are worked in the back loop only so that you get the ridges. So this is the pattern. You just have to repeat the pattern row after row. You have to make sure that you start with 3 increases and also end with 3 increases. That means you've got the stitch pattern right. Do try out this video, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below. We will definitely get to it. And I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.